guys, I'm here with a slightly different video. Yes, I made these, some of you may remember I made these a while back in a Tutorial Thursday video using Tracie's new kit. Well, it was new back then. And I am selling them, you know. I'm having a clear out. Yes, I could use them, but at the moment I've way too many projects on the go, so rather than hanging on to them forever and a day, I'm just going to pop them in the Etsy shop, and, you know, if you fancy them, if you want to have a do with them, then get in there quick. As of this video going live, these will be in the Etsy shop. I'm selling them as one bundle. But yeah, so like I said, these are using Tracie's kit, printed on the front and back. This one just has plain tea-dyed papers in it. This one also just has plain tea-dyed papers in it. I have used the kit front and back. This one actually I put a eyelet in it, and there is a bulb pin on there for you to be able to dangle something from. Excuse me. Again, part of the kit. I believe this is the tags and toppers kit, but don't quote me on that. I will link to the kit below, as well as, you know, this, as well as the Etsy listing for this. I've used other kits of Tracie's to create, when I printed on these. But yeah, I'm kind of sad to see them go, because I do love these. I've just never got around to using them, because, you know, I haven't made journals for ages. And they were just the scraps, like the offcuts, and I just did them as well. But yes, yeah, so I figured, you know, time to let go, because they can always be remade when I've got more space and a journal to put them in. But in the meantime, I figured not everybody can, you know, not everybody's in a position to be able to get kits and use them and print them out or whatever, but would still like them. So there you go, guys. Like I said, this is only a quickie, and as of watching this, unless already sold, if they sell, I will add that into the description, into the title, so you know, the video title, so you know. But yeah, if you'd like to get your hands on these, then pop over to the Etsy shop and I will make them available for you guys. But first come, first serve. Like I said, I won't be making any more to put in the shop, at least not yet anyway. But yeah, so good luck, guys. Excuse me. Good luck, guys, and I will link below to the kit that I used. And yeah, I will also link below to the Tutorial Thursday video to show how I made these. It wasn't difficult, but you know. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I feel a bit out of my comfort zone doing this. I really do. I'm not used to plugging my own things for sale. This is weird. But anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.